I want to kick off with the PMIs. Mixed, I guess, is an improvement from uniformly bad, which we've seen in the past, no?
Indeed, it's mixed in all kinds of dimensions across countries. Of course, we had a bit of a rebound in Germany, which is a bit of a contrast to the much wider IFO survey for October. So maybe some mixed news there for Germany itself. In France, an upper revision, but still down on September, as you mentioned. And on the periphery, some good news actually for Ireland and Spain, countries which are relatively far away from Germany, which is ultimately the trigger of all the weakness, but then some bad news in Italy. So mixed overall, but as you say, that is an improvement over the previous month. So maybe, just maybe, we are reaching the trough of the current rough patch.
Okay. All right, the trough of the current rough patch. I want to get back to Germany, though. You mentioned IFO. They did miss today on the PMIs, but we're at this 2-month high. Export order growth looks pretty decent. Should we take heart from that, and how much actually should we take from that?
Well, I think this is really important because when you look at the German economy at the moment, the problems are coming from elsewhere. They are external problems, but they're not affecting Germany via exports. So it's Russia which has triggered uncertainty, which is making German manufacturers invest a little less or postpone some of their investment projects. That's affecting domestic orders, not external orders. If you actually look at exports, the UK, the US, China, all these important markets are still growing very nicely. Some others are improving very gradually, like those in the Eurozone. So overall, exports are doing fine. It is domestic uncertainty-driven weakness which is causing the problems at the moment.
Is it enough for Germany to relent on QE, all of this?
I don't think so. I think this latest improvement in the PMIs will probably be followed by other improvements in other surveys towards the end of the year. For QE, that is a big ask of the German government to support that. So I think unless we get another serious downturn, the German government is going to remain opposed, which makes it politically very costly for the ECB to embark on sovereign bond purchases.